Hello and welcome to another how-to video. In this video we're going to be looking at the for function and how we can use that in our rules and in our triggers. If we have a quick look at the help page for this, it says for is a trigger function that lets you specify the length of time that the trigger conditions must be true before proceeding to the action. The trigger conditions only become true if the result is sustained for the period of time that you specify. So this is at least. We also have for less than. You can also invert the for function so the trigger only activates if the condition is true for less than a certain period of time. And we have a couple of examples on here. One is you might want to receive a notification if a door is left unlocked, or you could use a door window contact sensor, perhaps if the door's been open for at least 3 minutes, then send yourself a notification. And the second example, which we will look at in the next video, is about a motion activated light. So let's try the door notification one first. So if we go to meshbots and we create a new meshbot, I'm going to select local. We give our rule a name. And we add a trigger. We select the device node and we select the device. I'm going to select an Everspring door contact sensor. And then in this drop down we select the device capability that we want to use. So I'm going to use whenever door sensor is opened, whether it is armed or disarmed. And this grey button here is our function. So we click that and we select for. And here you can see the drop down for at least or less than. We're going to use at least. So in a real world situation, you might want to say put 5 minutes in here or 3 minutes. If the door's been open for those number of minutes, then send us a notification. For this example, to speed things up, I'm just going to put in 20 seconds. So that's it for the trigger. We then need to add our notification action. So we add an action, we select the notification node, we select the user account which is to receive the notification, and then by default it's email and push. I'm just going to select push for this example, and in the message body we can specify our own custom text for the notification. So the front door has been left opened, and that's it for the rule. Very simple. So we've got our device. It's a door contact sensor. When it's opened for at least 20 seconds, then do this, send the notification. So if we save the rule, save, and if we switch to the Vera mobile app, you can see here is the Everspring door sensor. It's currently untripped because the icon is grey. If I manually trip that actual contact sensor, that icon will change red, and after our 20 seconds that we specified, we will then receive a push notification. So there the contact sensor has been tripped. We have to wait for the at least 20 seconds and then we'll receive the notification. And there it's popped in, Vera mobile. The door has been left opened. and that was the custom text we specified in our meshbot rule. In the next video, we will be looking at using the for function with a motion activated light.